In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily use the demo trading feature on the platform Deepcoin. If you want to get the best sign up bonus possible on Deepcoin, you simply have to go down to the video description, click on the first link, and you will get to exactly this page right here. Then you will automatically participate in the best campaigns that are currently available. They can change over time. I can show you some examples here where you're able to get certain bonuses after depositing some funds, as well as some payback programs where you could also get an additional $100 bonus after a deposit. Or here is another one where you could get up to $500. So if you sign up with a link from the description, you will automatically be eligible for the best bonuses. And to create your account, simply enter your email address right here and set a password, and then you're ready to go. Once you have created an account and you log in for the first time, you will get to this page right here. And to directly get to the demo trading feature, you simply go up here to derivatives and then click on demo trading. Then as you can see, we are here in the demo trading feature, so you can use this entire platform as you're used to it. If you create your account with a link down from the video description, you will also immediately get $100,000 of demo funds in here that you can now use to completely try out the platform without having to use your real money and without any risk. If you need more tutorials on how to use the trading platform, I have many more tutorials on Deepcoin on my channel where you can check out how to actually use the platform. Don't forget to pick up the best sign up bonuses possible by creating an account on Deepcoin with the first link down from the video description. And as always, if you have any other questions, always feel free to ask them in the comments.